I'm Kevin Magna from Keller Williams.
Yay! We are so excited. We are here at 105 Fairwood Court, Danville, at this gorgeous house. Kevin, tell us about this house.
This house, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a den, over 3,400 square feet on an over 8,000 square foot lot. We're going to show you around. Let's do it.
Yay! Come on!
Hi there!
Hi, welcome to 105 Fairwood Court. Our grand foyer. Off to the right, our living room. And this way is our dining room. Beautiful double doors out to the backyard. And then our entryway into the kitchen off to the left. Alright, we've come in from the living room, dining room into the beautiful kitchen. Very large island. We've got our Wolf appliance stove, range, center island, sink. Behind us is the family room, fireplace, entertainment center, and you have your walk-in pantry here. Right off of the family room is your gateway to your outside playground.
Alright then, come on up. Look at the awesome upstairs. This side is the master area and the other side is all of the other bedrooms. We're going to go and check this out. Come on. So this room is probably every girl's dream room. I know my daughter would love it, but look at that. How cute is this? Alright, let's look at the really smart, cool feature of this house, which is the den. And this is a really fantastic sized den, which could be turned into another additional bedroom or an office or a game room or a media room. Basically anything you want. The size that it has, the layout that it has, it offers tremendous use of this space. Let's come into the master now. This is a really generous sized master bedroom. Plenty of space. You can decorate any way you want to. And the bathroom and the closets are even better. Come on in. So up here we have 2 separate closets, the his and her closet that I know that most couple love. There's a vanity area that is separate. There's his and her sink. The shower size, look at that generous shower. And the spa tub and the bathroom is separate. Hey!
Alright, let's check out the backyard playground. Come on through. We've got the trampoline, we've got fruit trees galore, apples, plums, lemons. Got a beautiful seating area over here. This is right off the living room, the dining room area, so we've got access there. Side yard access with the gate to the front yard here. Alright, let's explore this side of the house. This wing has our 5th bedroom, our 3rd full bath, and our laundry room, and access to Our 3-car garage. Laundry room does have a sink in it, big plus. And then our final bath with access to the garage right here. PK, what did you think of 105 Fairwood?
I am in love. It is so gorgeous. It's a beautiful house. What was your favorite part?
Yeah, so much to offer in this 5-bedroom, 3-bath, plus the den. I love the kitchen. The kitchen says parties, says family gatherings, says huge barbecues on that massive island. Really excited to see what the new owner can do with this place.
I can only imagine. There's a lot that can be done with this space. It's amazing, and this house, I don't think it's going to last you much long.
Yeah.
So if it is something that you like, if it is something that excites you, call now, come now, and check this baby out. Because it is
Great.
yeah.
Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you on the next virtual tour.
All right.
Until then, Kevin and PK signing off.